So for this one, remember this is like multiplying binomials. So we're just going to take our grid and we're going to multiply those across like FOIL, right? So I'm going to put -4 here, and you got to treat it like this is a term, and then you got to treat this whole thing like it's a term. So this becomes -4 square root of 3 times 1 plus the square root of 3. So -4 times 1 is just -4. -4 root 3 times 1 is just -4 root 3. -4 times root 3 is -4 root 3. And then -4, this is technically plus 1, so that becomes -4. Now what's root 3 times root 3?
3.
Just 3. So we've got -4 times 3. What's -4 times 3? Yeah, so this whole thing becomes -12. Alright, so you add the numbers, and the radicals it's kind of like terms. Radicals should only be added with radicals, and integers should be added with integers in this case. So in other words, what I'm going to do is I'm going to add -4 and -12. That gives me -16. And you always write the radicals last. And then we're going to add -4 root 3 plus -4 root 3. And so think of it like this. I've got -4x plus -4x. What would that be? That would be -8x, right? So this would technically be -8 root 3. That's how you would do that. Okay? And so that's your final answer. Is that one of the options? Yeah. Does that make sense? Yeah, so it just looks harder than